Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Jene and we're going to be doing an enveloping here. So this comes from Diamond Penz and these are 3 custom diamond painting pens. So I've already opened up this portion of the bag just so that I can get to the pens easily. So guys, just so that you're aware, there are going to be a few changes in the channel. Just moving forward with the new rules and complying with those new rules. I'm going to have a disclosure in the description box as well. But yeah, it's unfortunate that that's the way it has to be, but it is what it is. So let's get into this bag and see what I got. So again, this comes from Diamond Penz and they do acrylic pens. I love their pens, love them. So in each of the pens you will get 2 different size separators or correctors. You will get I'm not sure if that is a 9-placer. You also get a 4-placer and then you get a 3-placer. So each pen will have all these with it. So there's quite a few here. Okay. So here are the 3 pens. And I'm going to open this one up first because I can already tell what it is just by looking at that. So let's open this one up first. Get my small scissors. And take a look. Oh wow, that looks nice. So this is the first pin that I had made. So it is of the Canadian flag. I love the shape of this. It feels really good in the hands. And again guys, this is acrylic. So they make awesome pens. I love their pens. So this is the first one. This is the Canadian flag. Now one of these 2 pins is going to be for my 300 subscriber giveaway. So I will let you know which one it is, but one of them will definitely be for that giveaway. So let's open this one up. And here is the second pen. Isn't that beautiful? I love the colors on this. Now guys, this one here will be for the 300 subscriber free giveaway. Once I hit 300, this will be one of a few items that I will have for the giveaway. So again, beautiful acrylic pen. Love the color on this. It's beautiful. So there's the second pen. And then here is the third one. Ooh, that is pretty. Oh my. And here is the third one. Isn't that gorgeous? Sorry, I moved out of there. They do a beautiful job on these pens. And I'm going to tell you, this pen here is dark blue with the blue marbling in it. This one here is actually purple. It's not blue. It looks blue there, but it is actually purple. It's really, really pretty. Just beautiful. So again, here are my 3 custom pens, and then I'm just going to show you my little collection going here. So there is another custom pen, and there is another. Now this one isn't a custom. This one I bought from their sale, as well as this one. I got that one from their sale as well. Let's just make sure I get them all in there. Then I got this one, same. All these pins come from the same group. This pin I got in the auction. It's beautiful dark green. And here is the last one. So those are all the pins that I've gotten from Diamond Penz off of Facebook. And again, oops. If you're interested in their pens, if you're interested in acrylic pens, they're a great option to go to. So if you're interested in getting a really great acrylic pen, this is how it works. Diamond Penz, that's P-E-N-S, is a Facebook group, and you need to join the group once you become a member. They have 3, sometimes 4 sales throughout the week. Now in the sales, what they do is they will post pictures of the pins that are available and one auction pin. Usually it's one auction pin and about between 5 and 7 regular pens. They will post those pictures between the hours of 6 p.m. Central and 9 p.m., which is usually when it closes, Central Time. What you would do is you would click on the picture. If you like that pen, then you would put down in the comments me or me too or interested, anything that would alert them that you're interested in that pen. You can do that as many times as you want, as far as each picture. So let's say there's 8 pens available. You can put your name under each of those pens. At 9 o'clock when it closes, then what they do is they take each pen, they take the comments, and they do a random name picker, and they will pick one person out from underneath each of those pens. And they will contact that person and let them know that they won the ability to purchase that pen. Now let's say there are 8 pens and you put your name down on all 8 of those pens. I believe that you only have the option to purchase 1. So if you put your name under 8, and let's say number 4, your name gets pulled, your name won't get pulled with the remaining. So you only get the 1 win, and the auctions work basically like an auction. You just bid on it. Now they do have a customs list, and you basically put your name on the custom list. They will contact you when your name comes up, and then they will send you pictures of all their blanks, and you choose the style of the pen you want and the blank that you want. Now I believe you have the option to purchase 3 pens or 3 custom pens at that time. So they're really greatly priced too. All of their regular size pens are $25 Canadian plus shipping. The mini pens are $20 plus shipping, and all of their auction pens start at $30. So for this pen here, this was just a regular sales pen, and it was $25, and I paid an additional $3 for untracking, or I could have paid an additional $15 for tracking. So again guys, this will be the pin for the 300 subscriber free giveaway, just so that you can take a look at it, and it is beautiful, just beautiful. So by saying that guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you like the video, please give it that thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. And if you didn't like the video, I'm okay with that. But if you can kindly go down to the comments below and let me know what you didn't like about the video, that way it helps me improve my videos in the future. Also, If you're new to the channel, a big howdy and welcome. If you like what you see and you like what you heard, please hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you join the family. Also, don't forget to hit the bell that's right next door to it. That bell will indicate when I've uploaded my next video. If this is morning for you, have a very pleasant morning. If this is afternoon for you, have an excellent rest of your afternoon. And if this is evening for you, have a very restful evening. Again, my name's Jene, and thank you for joining me tonight on the review. We'll talk again real soon. Bye, everyone.